A lot of people often ask the question, is our 4G camera solar powered? What happens when there is no light? In my site, there is no access to electricity. How do I charge my cameras and keep it on always? I'm going to be answering these questions by unboxing this 4G V380 single lens camera to see what's inside and how it can be charged without electricity. First, it comes with a small size solar panel. Which has a cable attached to it. Then the manual, the screws and fishers. Then this is the camera itself. Here's the ports for charging the camera, which you can use either AC or DC, but it shouldn't be more than 5 volts as indicated on the body of the camera. So let's see how to charge the camera. The cord which is attached to the solar panel is plugged into the port for charging the camera and then placed in a direction facing the sunlight. Then the camera starts charging. There is an indicative light here showing that the camera is charging. We can't really see it because this is not placed in the sun. It's as easy as that. Thank you.